Day 4 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. Okay, so let's see what we have here today. Today we have question number 703, kth largest element in a string. The difficulty level is easy, so we're going to try to keep this as simple as possible and get the answer as simple and easy as we can. So first, let's read the question. It says, design a class to find the kth largest element in a string. Note that it is the kth largest element in sorted order, not the kth distinct element. So what that means is, when we have this stream of integers in sorted order, we want whatever number falls on the kth index, because that will be, when the stream is in sorted order, the kth index will have the kth largest number, right? So we're not worried about if, whereas the distinct element, it could get confusing because they might have two of the same numbers in there twice, and you might go back and go to a different number. You might go to a lower number or a higher number thinking that that's the kth largest, but no, it doesn't matter if the same number is in there twice or not. We're not skipping over any numbers. Even if it's in there twice, it counts, because we want whatever falls on the kth index in this sorted stream, right? So from there, we're going to read the rest of the question. It says, implement kth largest class, which is going to initialize the object with the integer k in the stream of integers nums. So first thing we need to do is we need to create an integer k, and we need to create a stream of integers nums. So in order to do that, we're going to say bar k integer, and we'll say bar nums, array of integers. It's that easy. Then we need to initialize it. So to initialize it, we're going to say self.k equals k, and we'll say self.nums equals. So this is going to be a little bit more tricky. It's not going to be just self.nums equals nums, because we want it in the sorted order. So in order to get that, what we're going to do is we're going to say self.nums equals nums dot sorted by, excuse me, sorted by, then we're going to say prefix k, and then we're going to map it, right? Boom. And then down here it says the function add. What is it? It says it appends an integer val. So first thing we're going to do is append a val. Then it returns the element representing the kth largest element in the string. So, and remember, it has to be sorted. So what that means, or to find the kth largest element in the stream, first thing we have to do is sort them and get all the numbers in order so we can find which one is the kth largest element, right? So in order to do that, we're going to say nums dot sort by, and that's it. That is going to sort them in order, and then we're going to return nums dot prefix k, because after they're in sorted order, now we can find the prefix k, whatever integer k is. We want that prefix, which is going to take us to the necessary index to find the element that we need. We want the last one of k. We don't want all of them. We just want the last. And so what that's going to do is get us the last number, or the last element in a prefix k, and that's what we want. So let's run this and see what happens. Let's see what happens. Boom, and it's accepted just like that. There we go. I'll see you guys tomorrow.